Hey, it's Marco and I'm going to show you how to block blue light on your iPhone. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel. So what you want to do is click on Settings and then you want to go to Display and Brightness. As you can see, this is the night shift, something that will turn on to block the blue light. As you can see, night shift automatically shifts the color of your display to the warmer end of the color spectrum after dark. This may help you to get a better night's sleep. Now, if I were to just turn it on, I don't know if you will see, but the screen gets yellower. You can also choose how you want it to look like on this color spectrum. As you can see here, you can have it more warm or less warm. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.